Hello from Taj Murder Medics. I've got a Mazda 6 here on a 2016 plate, and I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light on this, the maintenance, the oil change light on this. I've already done the service as well as the tyres and brakes, so I'm just going to show you how it's done. If you come in. Now first thing first, I've already switched the ignition on. Now as you can see on the right hand side there, you've got the schedule maintenance light on. And then the change due as well. Sorry, the door's open on the passenger side. Can you shut the door, please? Thank you. You got schedule maintenance, and then you'll see the oil light as well in a minute. Oil change due. So what I'm going to now do is show you how it's done. So there is a simple procedure. So what we need to do is we need to work on here. This is a touch screen as well. So if you wanted to button, if you want to touch the screen, or you can use this function button right here. As you can see what I'm doing, turn it to my left. I then go into applications. Once I go into applications, I'll scroll down to maintenance. I then scroll down to oil change. I scroll down to reset, and it says, are you sure? Yes, we are. So now it's doing 6,000 miles. So that's what the customer requested. I mean, whatever he set it as. So I'm not going to really touch that. Now the scheduled maintenance, I'm going to change that as well. Reset. Reset. Now that's 12 months, 12,500 miles. So if I go back, as you can see there, they're both done. Now what we've done is we've rotated the tires as well. We put the new ones on the front and the used ones on the back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change that to 6,000 miles till next service. Scroll back, go back onto the main screen, switch the ignition off. Now you see here, switch the ignition on the right hand side, you'll see there'll be nothing displaying. So if you did want to check still, what you could do is press the info button and then scroll down to warnings, and then press the info button again. So I'm pressing the info now, there's nothing coming up. I can now just start the car up. Doors opened again. There's nothing in display. That's all it was. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. It is a Mazda 6 on a 2016 plate. Service reset and maintenance reset is through the main console on the left hand side. Going to maintenance, and that's it. If there is anything you need to know, drop us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Mazda. I think this model here, I've done a headlight bulb on this as well. So if you're struggling on the bulb, you can check out the playlist for Mazda, and you know, and press click on the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.